Hello, in this PixaFlux video I'll show you the Surface Displace node. The Surface Displace node displaces the texture over the surface. In this project I have a texture with colored surface groups and a surface scratches texture. From the mesh nodes, drag a Surface Displace node. Connect the inputs and outputs. By default, the Texture Displace node displaces the texture along a vector defined by the theta and phi angles. The Strength attribute modifies the opacity of each displacement step. The direction of displacement can also be defined with a surface texture. From the Mesh Nodes menu, drag a Surface Noise node. Set the size. Connect the surface noise image to the surface displace direction input. When a value image is connected to the direction input, the image is used as a height map, and the texture is displaced along the slope, from high elevation to low elevation. An RGBA texture connected to the direction input is used as a map of vectors. From the Generate Nodes menu, drag a random noise node. Set the size. From the Mesh Nodes menu, drag a Surface Map node. From the Mesh Nodes menu, drag a Surface Filter node. Increase the iterations to relax the texture and remove the seams. Connect the Surface Filter output to the Surface Displace direction input. The texture is displaced on the surface on a path defined by the vectors in the random noise texture. This is how you can use the Surface Displace node to distort a texture around the surface. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Discord, Twitter, Blue Sky, and Instagram for more updates and tutorials.